Hello, and in this video we will learn how to shipping methods. This is very crucial and important. So let's go. I already preset a few options. That is usually what happens. Where do we go to shipping? Here we have sales, we have customers, we have marketing, and we scroll a little bit down and we have shipping method. In shipping methods, we will make these changes. So let's start from the bottom and on till the top. Shipping methods, we click on here and we give it a name to your shipping method. I just call it shipping method, but you should call it maybe the name of the company or private message, private shipping, as you please. This is just for an example. Next, you will choose manual fulfillment, manually enter fulfillment details. There you go, you add it. Next step is shipping eligibility checker. Check the weight and state. So let's say we have a minimum of 0 and maximum of 40, but it could be more. Maybe you have other products they weight a little bit more, maybe 200 or even more. And also we allowed all countries and states. If you want to allow all countries and all states, I wouldn't recommend that if you do not have it. So here I selected Spain, but you can select other countries. We'll be adding more and more countries here. We'll be adding all the European countries. And the next step is just click on España, Spain, as you can see here, Spain. And after that you see all the states. So how do I select the state? You just click there. I'll just do it real quick. Let's say Países Bajos, and let's switch to Spain, and we select Almería, Cádiz, Granada, Córdoba, Huelva, Málaga, Sevilla. So here you go and select all the states. As you can see, there you go. Preferably if you click this one here. Alright, so it's far more comfortable. Alright. More comfortable to select. And you can go one by one. It doesn't take that much time. Okay, it looks like it, but it does not. That's why I'm doing it right in front of you, so you can see it does not take much. You just have to click a few times and you're right up there. Okay, so we selected a few states that we send to. I will recommend to click like this, right? You click and you can go select, whoops, here. There you go. All right, so we selected a few states in Spain. Next, per kg rate 0.4, per kg rate, we'll put weight 0.4 kg. This is too repetitive and it looks a little bit crazy, so we'll fix this. This will be fixed and we'll just put weight so it doesn't drive us a little bit nuts. Awesome. And you can put your state, whatever is your shipping costs. So you will, first of all, if we finish here, shipping calculator, shipping cost calculator based on weight. And it's based on weight. We will fix that. Then after you have the tax rate, we will add it. And now here 0 to 5, it is 3. I put 3.40, but it's depending on your shipping method. Each one of them, they have a different price. So you go so on and so on and so on until it gets 40 kilos. we put the maximum of 40 kilos. If you have more than that, you can just notify us and say, oh, we have more than 40 kilos. We do bigger shippings than that. You can notify us and we can change that. It takes us 2 seconds to change that. Okay. And yeah, and that's about it. And this is kilos. What is important to know, very crucial part, is to go to products and make sure all your products, if you're doing by weight, that is, you should do, or if you don't, you should do. If you're doing by weight, you should give the weight of your product. All right, it is important to give the weight of your product. All right, you need to give it weight of your product, all your products that you have set up. All right, so now we go back and we continue on the shipping methods. So we have done shipping methods by weight. Now, if you would like to pick up by store, you must add here the address, so they're able to see the address in the checkout page, your clients. Next step, you should add manual entry fulfillment details. You select that. Next step, you can add the Google Maps embedded. This is we're working on this so it can be visible. So if you go to Google Maps, let me just click here. Wait 1 second. If you click here, copy this, open a new tab. Let's go to Google Maps, click here, and we select, let's say here, Biopark, we share, and we copy the embedded map that we will improve day by day how we could look the best way in our work. So we copy here, we paste it, and here we go. So we have the iframe so they can see where we are located, the frame. Next, shipping price. As it is we need to select first the default flat rate shipping method. Shipping price will be 0 because you will not be shipping. They will picking up the product from your store or your services. So you put 0, excluding taxes, and 0 rate. I think so that was pretty straightforward. Next step, it is free shipping. So if there's a product that is minimum value, let's say 200, and you would like to give them free shipping for that, you ship shipping price 0, excluding tax 0. All right. Or if you want to include the taxes, you can just change that and include taxes, and you just write what taxes you would like to include. All right. That's pretty straightforward. You click here, then after you click just shipping eligibility checker, you see default shipping eligibility checker. So I'll just show you, click here, default shipping eligibility checker, and you put minimum they need to purchase is 200 to be able to be free, and we click update. We go back. Now international shipping. If you have to ship to another countries, you can just add over here, but preferably if you add them separately. Example, if you ship to the Netherlands or Germany or Spain or other countries, it's preferably if you have it different, like shipping to Spain, so the user can just select what country they would like their product to be shipped. All right, that's another thing. And for example, another method that I didn't mention, example, if you have a product that you only ship one product at one shipping price, you can just add it here, the price of the product that you're shipping and the price that you're sending it for. All right, so that's straightforward. And what we'll do now, it is just test. Let's test if this work, right? So there's 5 to 10 kg, right? Kilograms. 5 to 10 it is 550, and after you have 10 to 15 it is 1460. So let's have a look. Let's go here in our products. That is very important to put the kilos in our products. As I mentioned before, let's just double check. Let's say at this polo t-shirt, yes, it's 6 kilo. Obviously it's just a t-shirt. It should not be it shouldn't be 6 kilos, but this is just an example. This is just a tutorial. So now what we will do, we will go to our shopping store, right? And we will look for the polo. That just close this. Oops. You just close it. Let's just remove this. It's not letting me remove. Maybe it needs to a little free it up. Okay. Interesting. So let's go to let's go here. As we know, that's the polo, so let's just check if the polo have made it. So we write down our email, our name, as a client will do, next steps, if he has a company, the number completo. Well, first of all, let's put it in English so we both on the same page and we understand what we are doing, right? Yep, and it translated, as you can see. So let's go for polo. Polo. We select that. As it is already in the checkout page, let's continue. There we go. It's there. We continue. And there you go, 550, because it is over 5 kilos. Or if not, you can pick up on pick it up in our located store. Pick up in our store, and they can see. But when they click this is supposed to appear pop-up, so they can have a Google Maps and they can see where they need to pick up your product, and also and where to pick up the product, and also they will see this in their billing. Wonderful. And yes, and that's about it, and that is the shipping process. Simple as that. Thank you, and see you in the next one.